Hey guys, Rachel here, and I'm going to show you a travel trailer that is beautiful. It is a Rockwood, and I'm excited to show you if you're looking for a coach, so no bunks. This might be a great unit for you. It's a mini Lite, so it's a little bit minier, but it is well equipped with all the things that you need. So let's start from the outside in. You guys let me know what you think. Let's go. We've got our Rockwood Mini Lite. It is a 2025 model 2506 FK, so it's that front kitchen. You've got a slide on this side, and as you can see, it's not really long, but it's a great unit. It's a light unit, and it does have the power stabilizers as well, so that's really nice. It does have two doors, one in the master bedroom and in the kitchen. And then you do have your backup camera prep. So let's take a look inside. And I believe these are quick recovery water heaters. So that's really nice, but I'll have to check. All right. Beautiful front kitchen. So right over here, we've got our little kitchen in the front. You've got a 3-burner, your oven. Look at how much storage you have. Just a lot of counter space as well. Beautiful window right in front of the kitchen sink. You got a microwave. The kitchen sink is nice and big as well. And then you do have outlets here as well on both sides. You got your refrigerator that is really cool that you can open it up from both sides, but plenty of space to put all your goods in both the fridger and the freezer. I'm just going to show you because I think it's the coolest thing. Because I am a kid at heart. But yes, beautiful. So everything that you really need in here, and is storage upon storage, of course. And then over here we do have our theater seating. So both sides recline. This actually can come down as well. If I can do it right. You've got cup holders, more cup holders, and then beautiful windows right behind it. You do have little tables on each side that of course come off if you don't need them, and then of course that option for the third seat, which is really nice. And then right across from that you do have your entertainment and your fireplace and a little bit more storage right there. Down through here we've got our bathroom. So we've got a nice big shower with natural light coming in. Plenty of space so you're not going to hit your knees. And then you do have storage underneath the sink, above the sink, and then right to the side as well. So a lot of space here. Moving on to our master bedroom, which as you can see, just a lot of space in here. You got drawers underneath, which is nice. We love storage here. Storage space. But yeah, you got side tables, outlets, little lights right above the bed, and of course you're going to have storage underneath the bed as well, and this is where your door is. So plenty of space, love it, but of course I want to know what you guys think. Let me know what you think, and then of course you can call, text, or email if you have any questions, want to come look at it, come see me. But until next time, guys.